This terminal learning objective will contain the following enabling learning objective. Identify the IWS controls and indicators. The iMiles IWS incorporates two distinct SATs. The Code 27 SAT is used for the light weapons. The Code 24 SAT is used for the M2. The Generation 1 SAT has a dedicated bracket to fit the specific weapon, such as the M16, M4, M240, and M249. The Generation 2 SAT has a Picatinny mount and Delta Universal clamp for the light weapons if no Picatinny rail space is available. The Generation 2 SAT is depicted in this training. The Code 27 SAT is the laser transmitter unit for M16, M4, M240, short barrel and long barrel, and the M249 short barrel and long barrel 7.62 mm weapon simulation within the iMiles IWS system. Adapts to specific weapons and their firing capabilities through factory-set IR visible laser tubes. Has a Picatinny clamp which mounts to the weapon's Picatinny rails. Uses a flash sensor to detect the visible flash generated by blank fire. Has knurled or flat recessed azimuth and elevation alignment screws. Has a comms port located near the battery compartment that provides the wireless IR links to the H-harness and an LED to indicate association and firing. Is powered by an internal long-life 1/2 AA 3.6-volt lithium battery. The Code 24 SAT is the laser transmitter unit for the M2 simulation within the iMiles IWS system. Has the same SAT components as the Code 27 plus an adjustable band clamp which allows mounting to the M2 and M2A1 machine guns. This larger clamp fits over the M2 cooling jacket. The Mirror Alignment Jig Kit, MAGIC, is used for SAT alignment to a specific weapon site, is a self-contained unit which requires no external power source, has a mirror subassembly which reflects the target card assisting sight for the alignment process, has a target subassembly which consists of a target pivot post subassembly, a target arm, and a target card subassembly to establish the focal length relative between the target card and mirror subassembly. The Dry Fire Trigger, DFT, powered by an internal 1/2 AA lithium 3.6-volt battery, is used for demonstration, alignment verification, and test. The DFT causes the SAT to fire iMiles-coded laser when the fire button is pressed, producing a laser pulse simulating a specific weapon capability including range, accuracy, and destructive capability. Any weapon fitted with a SAT can operate without using blank ammo by means of the DFT device. The DFT retainer clip is attached to the SAT, and the firing button may be attached to a weapon grip. The DFT has two modes depending on how the trigger is pressed. A single press of the trigger sends one full miles message sequence. A single press of the trigger for greater than 0.5 seconds simulates automatic weapon action, repeating full miles message sequences until the trigger is released. Once the SAT test is performed, the DFT is removed from the SAT before operation.